In today's world, we live in an international world. Litigations are happening all over the world, and therefore, judgments are obtained in those litigations in other countries. Sometimes there are situations where the debtor or the defendant in that judgment, the one who owes the money, may have particular assets in the United States. So in recent years, there's been a body of case law developing in different states across the United States in terms of how to enforce a judgment from another country. So that is known as the law of the Foreign Money Judgments Recognitions Act. That act was promulgated by the Uniform Law Commission and was adopted in 33 states in the United States. Most of the major states that I litigate in recognize that law. For example, Florida, New York, California. Typically what you do is you have to bring an action to enforce a foreign judgment. There are certain procedural requirements for doing that. And the defendant, the debtor, may have certain defenses. Those defenses can be that the tribunal in the foreign country that issued the judgment was not fair, or it's a country which does not have a fair judicial system, that you obtained this judgment or the other lawyers obtained this judgment in some sort of unfair way, that the evidence wasn't presented or the debtor didn't participate. Assuming you overcome those defenses, what will happen is that the American court, be it the federal court or the state court in a particular state, will then enforce the foreign judgment and convert it to a judgment of the United States court, be it federal or state. I've had experience with this in Florida, for example, where a judgment was converted in Florida. And subsequently to that, you can then pursue the post-judgment enforcement mechanisms that you have for enforcing any judgment, be it the United States courts or that of a foreign court.